silica ramming mass. Raghav Kabra, the Chief Operating and Innovative Officer of Raghav Productive Enhancers Limited, is a management graduate from the prestigious Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. He is transforming the induction furnace-based steel industry through his massive efforts towards R&D and innovation in the field of ramming mass. I invite Raghav Kabra to make his presentation.
A nation's economic growth rests largely on the quality, efficiency, and expanse of its infrastructure, which in turn is closely linked to its iron and steel production capacity. We at Raghav Productivity Enhancers Limited have come up with a product which is a breakthrough innovation in remarkably increasing the liquid metal output productivity of induction furnace-based steel plants. This has helped steel plants substantially reduce the cost of production and improve profitability. Several steel plants' loss-making units have turned profitable by using a superior grade ramming mass. Our company is the largest silica ramming mass manufacturer of India, certified by CRISIL. We have enjoyed the trust of most big capacity induction furnace-based steel plants, which have been drawing enormous benefits by using our product that ensures 25 to 50% more number of heats in the lining. Our high-quality ramming mass has allowed the industry cut time, costs, labor, and power, immensely raising the productivity and profitability as a result. A nation's economic growth.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to thank and applaud Steel Mint for giving me this opportunity to present our innovative product at this Global Steel Innovations Forum. I promise you the next 15 minutes of my speech are going to change your steel plant's profitability forever. My topic is how to increase steel plants' productivity at zero electricity cost. Our company's mission is to how to increase our clients' profit. That is why we are working here, that is why we are here. So the following will be my presentation. Now I'd like to be a little interactive over here. Alright, how many of you use ramming mass in your induction furnaces? I'd like some hands, please. Thanks a lot. Now, how many of you have made ramming mass purchase decision on the basis of just costs? I'm not seeing any hands, I'm sorry, I think so. That's the main objective of how most of people you do. To work side. Now, how many of you know that superior ramming mass increases production and productivity and decreases costs by approximately and at least 4%? I'm sure no one does. That's how you're going to do. Now, we are Raghav Productivity Enhancers Limited, the world's largest silica ramming mass manufacturing company. Silica ramming mass is just 0.2% cost of a steel plant. It's a very low cost product. I'm going to present how to increase your productivity by 4%. The problem is, there are different sizes of the furnaces, there are different input materials for all different furnaces and different steel plants, and every steel plant, someone is making different materials. But why same ramming mass for everyone? There should not be a generic ramming mass. Our solution to that is a customized and a tailor-made ramming mass for each and every different steel plant. How exactly do we do it? We're not a product provider, we are a solutions provider. We don't view it as a commodity product. Ramming mass is not a commodity for us, it's a customized lining solutions that we offer. What our team does is, firstly, they collect data from your steel plant. What are your plant parameters, the different plant parameters that every steel plant is using. Then our R&D team in-house analyzes and generates some data points, and using our 10 years over, for the past 10 years, the data that we have collected, which steel plant will use which different ramming mix which will allow the maximum number of heats that you can get. After the trial is done, the product performance is monitored and is measured on a continuous basis. At optimum productivity mix, large scale and unique batches are made of each different client. Now we're not going to stop there. It's not like we just made it once and that material is done. We continuously innovate, we continuously improve the product based on the feedback we receive from your side, based on the monitoring of the performance that we receive from your side. We are absolutely obsessed with how to increase our clients' productivity and profitability and thereby reducing the costs. Now, how exactly do we do that? So, this is a diagram of how ramming mass gives you a benefit in 3 ways. Superior quality of ramming mass results in slower and even erosion of lining from top to bottom. Slower erosion results in higher number of heats. Higher the heats, higher is your cost saving. Cost saving is done in 3 ways. Number first is the patching cost saving. Second is the power cost saving, and third is the labor and plant overhead cost saving. I'll explain to you later on the basis of a case study. This is a case study to better explain our massive cost saving proposition. It's done on a Punjab-based renowned steel plant. Now, the case study is a 25 metric ton furnace getting 25% more heats from our ramming mass compared to the existing supply. First is the patching cost saving. When heats through ramming mass increase, patching costs come down simultaneously by the similar percentage. Not just ramming mass, but a lot of other items are involved in a particular patching of a furnace. Premix ramming mass, nylitop ramming mass, former sheet, sodium silicate, antenna material, and the labor cost of a liner. All these materials in an Indian context in the generic plant, in a 25-ton plant, it amounts to rupees 90,000. Now, how exactly do we save these patchings? So, the steel plant is taking 13.7 heats in a day compared to the 1.45 hours per heat. So, they're getting approximately 4,932 heats in a year that they're taking, assuming 360 days in a year. Now, our material they're getting 25 heats, the other material they get 20 heats. So, the number of patchings required for our material is only 197